Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. As many of you may know, I'm a big football fan, a lifelong Arsenal Football Club supporter. And I wish I could say that I watched football in order to relax, but that would be lying. Because generally, football's quite stressful to watch, actually. It's not always good for the heart. And over the last couple of weeks, I've experienced this twice. My team, Arsenal, have had 2 away games, one at Liverpool and one at West Ham. And in both games, they started very strongly, they scored 2 early goals, and then they sat back, allowing the other team a bit of hope, allowing them to get back into the game. And in both games, the games ended up as 2-2 draws. That's 2 goals against 2 goals. So basically, Arsenal blew a 2-goal lead, 2 games in a row. And I think in doing so may well have blown their chances of winning the first league title for 20 years. In these contexts, blow basically means waste a good opportunity or destroy your own chance of succeeding. Kind of, manage to snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. And you may be pleased to hear it's not only used to talk about football. So you might say something like, I was doing okay in the exam, but then I missed the last questions on the back sheet and completely blew it. Or maybe, I thought we were in with a chance of winning a big contract, but then I managed to completely blow it by making a silly joke. You can go for an interview and nerves can get the better of you, and maybe your mind goes blank or you mess up some of the questions and you blow it. You blow your chances of getting the job. Maybe you're doing okay with a diet, but then you completely blow the diet over Easter with all of that chocolate. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of times you've blown it or blown your chances or blown a useful opportunity.